Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Threads. You click on settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings, then you will search about the application of Threads and you click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end, here we turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget